Oh, let's continue on. We got some great stuff. We got the restored pedal cars. Those were always fun. I like the hot rod. That's cute. Now, we gotta watch because the Pedal Car Museum in Ephrata, PA, will be having their open houses this year. Watch northeastwalesevents.com for the open house of the Pedal Car Museum. Now that they have it monthly, which is pretty cool. $1 for radios, folks. A bloody buck. Come on, give me a break here. How can you resist? And they want to get rid of them, so, you know, come on down and buy the blooming things. All center caps, $2 a piece. And only $8 for 4. Such a deal, don't ask. $3 on the aluminum wheel. This is what I love, is that you can really get a lot of good stuff. RC over here. Want a fucker? It's the only time I can get away with that one. This table, $1 each. My gosh, all that stuff. Oh, the plane, the biplane. Remember putting those together? Getting high off the glue? Yeah. That is amazing. People are here to move stuff. This is such a great swap meet. It really is. $5 a pair on those tail lights for the truck, for the Chevys. The diff. $2.89. Air cleaner. Tilt steering. Looks like a Ford. High capacity oil pan.
You're right. We'll turn around down here.
Nice. Offenhauser. Looks like it's for a Corvair. Nah, might be Dub, but I think it's Corvair. What is that manifold from? Corvair or Dub? What is the manifold from? Corvair or Dub? Corvair. Cool beans. Thanks. For the 4-barrel, nice. And you'll find it down here, which is really pretty cool. Tapes, 25 cents each. I love it. $25 with 2 distributors.
I can't read.
Try to get rid of everything. Ping pong paddles, $5. Of course, manuals. Camp dishes, $10 takes all. Yeah, please. MacBooks, $10 a piece. 25 for all 3. Got tons of little tri-power setup there. 1965. There's the older Hearst shifter. That's the old one, folks. This thing weighs a bloomin' ton. Look at that. How much you ask?